The atmosphere is locked and loaded for what would be later known as one of the most violent, destructive tornado outbreaks in U.S. history. Two communities that will be greatly impacted on this day are Hackleberg and Campbell, Alabama. Meteorologists are watching storms develop on Doppler radar into supercell thunderstorms that quickly start rotating, and tornado warnings are issued. At 2:54 p.m. Central Standard Time, an EF5 tornado touched down. It tracked across northwestern Alabama for 132 miles, with a maximum path width of 1.25 miles wide. The tornado traveled from Marion County through Franklin, Lawrence, Morgan, and eventually into Limestone County. The tornado damaged several communities, including Hackleberg and Campbell, which suffered the brunt of its damage. These areas were almost completely destroyed. The tornado was rated an EF5 with wind speeds over 210 miles per hour. The tornado caused catastrophic damage, obliterating well-constructed homes and reducing entire neighborhoods to debris. In Hackleberg and Campbell, several homes were swept completely off of their foundations. Damage was so severe that it was difficult to determine which structures were houses or commercial buildings. In addition to residential damage, schools, businesses, and municipal buildings were destroyed. Vehicles were thrown long distances, and some were crushed beyond recognition. Even massive steel-reinforced structures, such as factories, were heavily damaged. There were 72 fatalities, making it one of the deadliest tornadoes in the history of Alabama. Hundreds of people were injured, many of them severely. The towns of Hackleberg and Campbell were particularly hard hit, with significant loss of life and numerous injuries. Thousands were left homeless, and the storm caused massive disruptions to daily life. Entire communities were left unrecognizable, with survivors having to dig through the debris to find what little was left of their belongings. The emotional and psychological impact on the survivors has been profound and long-lasting. The recovery in Hackleberg and Campbell was difficult and slow. Even to this day, scars still remain from this extreme weather day. If you like weather-related content, please like and subscribe.